Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I created this eye tutorial. I had some inspiration off at Baby Leska on Instagram. I will link her stuff below. She is super talented. Anyway, if you'd like to see how I achieve this, then please keep on watching. And to start off this look, I'll be taking the P. Louise base in the shade Rimmer 0.5 and patting that all over my lid. Now I'll be taking the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm going to take this on a blending brush, and I'm going to pick up the red shade, the orange shade, and the pink, but I'm mainly going to stay with the red and the pink shades, and I'm going to kind of create my own bright toned red, and then I'm going to start packing that into the outer corner of my crease and all the way up to my inner corner of my crease as well. And now that I have the red placed down and slightly blended, I'm going to pick up a M441 brush and I'm going to start blending out the edges. Now I'll be taking the P. Louise base again on that same brush, and I'm going to start stamping up my half cut crease. Now picking up that red shade and that brush again, and I'm going to slowly bring that into my half cut crease, and I'm going to leave the center open. And I'm going to go ahead and take the James Charles palette again, and I'm going to dip into the light pink shade, the hot pink shade, and the white just to create my own light pink shade, and I'm going to go ahead and pack that to the center of my half cut crease. Picking up that same palette on a little flat brush, I'm going to take the blue and the white just to create a baby blue shade, and then I'm going to go ahead and pack that to the inner corner of my half cut crease. And I went ahead and brought the blue down past my inner corner, and then I'm going to go ahead and take that same pink shade and add that to the center of my under eye, and then I'm going to use the red for the outer corner of my under eye shadow. Now I'll be picking up my eyelash curler and curling my eyelashes. Then I'll be taking my liquid black liner and doing a thin line on my lash line. Now I'll be taking my Anastasia X Amrezy Highlighter, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight my cheekbones, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Next, I'll be taking DODO lashes in the style D503. These are the long extended lashes. I freaking love these. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and place those on. And you can use code rosaxrobles at checkout for money off your order. I really love DODO lashes. They have even like super simple styles to this. It's super nice. They have a lot of variety and they're really affordable too. So if you'd like money off, go ahead and please use my discount and I would greatly appreciate it. And now I'll be taking Colourpop's Flexitarian highlighter and placing that in my inner corner, and then topping it off with Colourpop's Disco Lady glitter in my inner corner as well. And now I'll be taking the NYX Brown Cocoa Liner, and I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. And then I'll be taking Fenty Beauty's Stunna Lip Paint and Unbutton and filling that in. Now I'll be taking NYX Jumbo White Liner and applying that to my waterline, and then I'll be applying some mascara to my top and my bottom lashes. And I was really loving the red tone, so I went ahead and dipped back into the palette into all those 3 shades again, and I'm going to go ahead and blow out my eyeshadow just a little more. Picking up my Mario Badescu Lavender Facial Spray, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face, and I'll be pressing it in with my Morphe sponge. Alright guys, and that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching this eye look. I really had a lot of fun with this tutorial, and these colors and these big eyelashes really brought the look together. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload. You can follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, both at rosaxrobles. Those will be linked also in my description, and any makeup product I use will also be in my description as well. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.